Hello, good morning, Bear Bull traders. This is Thor Young, and I'd like to do a recap on my trades for you today. I have two trades today. Three trades total, two stocks. I traded Philip Mo, ticker PM, and I traded Altria, ticker MO. Both of these stocks were in our watch list this morning. Been a little bit of pressure in the vaping industry. Norm and Carlos had these two picked apart real nice for us. As always, make sure you ring the bell and get ready so that we're alive for you in the mornings to give you all the information that you need. These guys do a great job. So Philip Mo actually ended mergers with MO. So Philip Mo and MO decided, and I was looking at Philip Mo for a play this morning, and this is what I saw. So if you zoom in here on Philip Mo, I waited for it to had a nice little opening range breakup. It came back, it went down, touched through VWAP, came back up, and it held here. So I thought it looked good for a long, so I took it long and popped up nicely. I took a partial at 77.80, and then it pulled back. It held a little bit. I knew if it lost VWAP, I was going to go ahead and get out of it. It lost VWAP, and I stopped out. Still made some money on this one, but, not the best. So, and then I waited a little bit. Let me flip over into the order of appearance. I went to MO. Shortly after that one stopped out looking for something different. And this is when I got into my trade of the day that I really liked. MO is actually making a breakdown right now, which is awesome, to 40.54. So I was looking at MO here. It opened with a very hard sell-off. Pulled back up to VWAP, couldn't retain VWAP, started holding under the averages. So I went ahead and I took a short. 41.40 is the entry, stop out. Again, the loss of VWAP. This one worked very nicely for me. Started taking partials at major intervals all the way down. Really happy with that one. And currently, I've got partials all the way down to 40.63. And we just did a dip down to almost 40.50. So I have a partial, actually an order sitting out at 40.50, so it just missed me. And then my next one after that for an all out is at 40.25. So had this solid trade in MO, really happy with this one, still hanging on to it, hoping I can get that little bit more out of it. And then I had one more trade on Philip Mo. Let me show you what was going on here. Not sure if this one's going to work out for me or not. Philip Mo has been respecting the 200 moving average on this 1 minute chart, as you can see, very well. So it pulled up, it made a pullback, respected the average, pulled back up. I actually initiated my order here, but it had a real quick pop up and I got a horrible fill on it. But it was a smaller order, so it wasn't too stress-inducing. But I knew, again, if I lost, I actually set my order down. I went small enough so that I could set my out for the loss of this part of the wedge. So if it broke 75.10, I was going to get out. So it was a very wide order. It only took, didn't take a lot of shares. And thank goodness, because it wicked down on me pretty hard. Came back up, and now it's starting to make a nice ascending pattern up, which it kind of keeps failing off of. But I got a partial here and a nice partial up at 76.20, so I've locked in some good profit on it. And if it comes back and it loses this wedge level here, I'm going to go ahead and get out of it. So MO trade, A+ setup for me, real happy about that one. Philip Mo opening trade, actually real happy with the read. I was using the tape for reading that pop. Stop out is what it is. Can't always predict what's going to happen. And this one, not the best entry, I'll be honest. Recognizing that it was holding the 200, I should have waited for that pullback to get in closer to the 200, but live and learn on that one. So hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you're all staying green, and I'll talk to you later.